Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Confirm you can log into Steam and Google separately and make sure Steam is up to date. Once done, open the Steam client or the Steam website and sign into your Steam account, then have a browser tab ready for Google. You need two-factor authentication enabled on Google for smoother linking in many cases, so set that up now if you haven't. After that, navigate to Account Management. We'll start the account link flow immediately. Now navigate to Steam's account settings. Choose Manage Steam Account or Account Settings depending on client vs web. Next, select the option labeled Sign In with Google or Link External Account. This begins an OAuth flow. You'll be redirected to Google to pick the account you want to link and then ask to grant permissions. Make sure you pick the Google account that matches the email you intend to use for Steam. After granting access, return to Steam and wait for confirmation of the linked status. Finish by checking Steam's account page to confirm Google now appears in linked accounts. This verifies the connection. Once linked, test signing out and using the Google sign-in flow or try a recovery action to ensure everything behaves as expected. If you hit errors, sign into your Google account, revoke Steam's access in Google security settings, and run the link process again. Make sure cookies and pop-ups are allowed. If issues persist, collect screenshots and reach out to Steam support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.